In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TradingView on laptop, Windows 10 11. Full step-by-step guide. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing every second. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. Head to the TradingView website and navigate to the chart page. You can get there from the home page by selecting chart in the top navigation. If you're already signed in, that's perfect. Your preferences and layouts will sync later in the desktop app. If you're not signed in, you can still reach the chart page to access what we need. Once you're on the chart, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It usually appears as a small avatar or a circle. Click that to open the account menu. Depending on your setup, you might see options related to your profile, settings, and upgrades. The menu layout can vary slightly. But don't worry, what we need is in there. From that profile menu, choose the option labeled Get Desktop App. This takes you to TradingView's official desktop app page. If you don't see the option right away, it may simply be nested in a submenu, or you can access the desktop page from TradingView's main site header. The key here is to make sure you're on the official TradingView site before downloading anything. You should see clear branding and a page dedicated to the desktop application. On the desktop page, you'll find the download button. TradingView typically detects your operating system automatically, so on a Windows 10 or 11 laptop, it should present the Windows version by default. Click Download to start retrieving the installer. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads folder, and you can monitor the progress in the browser's download tray. If your browser asks for permission or your security settings display a quick check, that's normal for most installers from trusted publishers. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the download doesn't stall, confirm you have a bit of free space on your drive, and keep an eye on the domain to verify it's the official TradingView site. If you're using a work laptop with strict permissions, you may need administrator rights to proceed later. That's it. You went to the chart page, opened your profile, selected Get Desktop App, and clicked Download on the desktop page. You're now ready to move forward with the desktop experience on Windows. If this guide helped, consider sharing it so others can follow along just as easily. Thanks for watching.